Welcome to Tunity. Here are some tips and tricks to achieving the perfect scan. First, make sure you're scanning a supported channel. You can find all the channels Tunity supports in the Supported Channels list in the app menu. Note that some local programming isn't supported yet, such as local news and weather. Please be patient as we're adding them as soon as possible. Further, make sure that there is no glare on the TV screen or any other bright lights that may affect the scan. If you're scanning someplace that has multiple TVs, make sure that only the TV you want to hear is in your scan. Either move closer to the TV or zoom in by pinching your fingers. If the audio is out of sync with the TV, simply tap the blue arrows on the bottom of the screen. If the audio is ahead of the TV, tap left. If the audio is behind the TV, tap right. If the audio is choppy or freezes, oftentimes the issue is in the connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then try cellular data, and vice versa. If you need further help, you can review the tutorial, tips, and FAQ pages under Using Tunity in the app menu, or reach out to our chatbot via the support button. Now you're all set. Happy scanning!